Brika, I'm back, man. With Kanievsky East.
Fresh from Lorry.
Fuck Captain Conan buying views of YouTube like Nigerian mans.
Bastards.
Let's go, man. Let's go in on this shit. Fuck, this intro is fucking long, man.
Wait for beat to drop like JZ.
Fuck JZ.
Do it quickly, I need to rebuild Kanye jaw.
He's ugly, fix that.
I lay down new copper wire.
Fuck Kane West, you not real, man. How Amber Rose leave you for Mosquito? Wiz Khalifa. Brika, yeah. I invented swag, bad English, square head, alpha male man, Eastern Europeans. We are ugly, very ugly. Truth, new drill, new shoes, stainless steel watch. I got 2 of those, passport now, legal work, fish and chip, kebab, Tesco snapback. Swag.
Damn easy on Brika, where the hell you been? Polski stock real reckless, the port van. We build cheaper than the Irish and the Englishman. Now I'm about to go and smuggle all my cousins in. I know lazy like the gypsy who put heater in. They ain't see me cause I drove off in the Brika van. Last week I was in my other van. Go make me sandwich bitch or I never come again.
Brika, controversy. Fuck JZ, 100 problems now. Your wife's pregnant and your child will be very ugly, like an Egyptian camel. Mubarak, new business, prostitution. Wife give cheap sex in, lost conversion. Drink drive, Polski step, tracksuit, black shoe. Work so much, got paint on tracksuit.
I'm carpenter like Jesus, I never going to hell. Do not like wife no more, she going for sale. Construction rap, on plywood write my tune. Sophisticated immigrant man, English from cartoon. I built for Europe, my Romania. You never arrested while going through customs, you no smuggle nothing, huh? And all the ladies in my house got them tied and gagged. Brika teach me how to doogie, swag. Brika, we need to go back to build now. Fuck music shit.
Oh, let me teach you how to Brika first. Hey, teach me how to Brika. Teach me how to Brika. Fuck Otis.
Who the fuck is Otis? Let's go talk to Adibola for YouTube views.